Hello students, I have one more problem that I wanted to do with you, and on page 119 it was problem 3. You can do it on your own, but I just wanted to go over the steps with you. It's a little bit complicated problem because it involves pi. Alright, well let's take a look. Okay, so here's the problem. It says if the circumference, or c, of a circle is 64, then what is r, the radius? Okay. So the first step I want to do is take the formula, circumference is equal to 2 pi r, okay? Now c is given, but r is not. So in this case, what I want to do is I want to isolate the r. Now, in order to solve, what I want to do to isolate it, since it's being multiplied, I can't subtract pi and 2, so I have to actually divide them. Now, even though 2 and pi are two numbers, once they're multiplied, it can kind of be considered like one number, okay? So I can divide that out and completely remove it from the right side of my equation, leaving me with r. So let's go back to the left side of the equation, and I can put that on there. So now I have c divided by 2 pi. So c divided by 2 pi is equal to r. Okay, now going back to my original question, if c is 64, then what is r? So I can substitute in 64. So I'm just going to rewrite it again to make it neat. Now, I can do this a couple ways. I can go 2 times pi and then divide 64 by that, or I can divide 64 by 2 and then take that answer and divide it by pi. So for pi, I'm going to rewrite it as 3.14. Which would be 6.28. Now, I know I can do this dividing on paper, but I'm just going to save time because this is not a lesson in division or arithmetic. This is a lesson in formulas. Okay, so I'm going to go 64 divided by 6.28, which equals 10.1910. Now with pi, you're going to end up getting these funny decimal answers. So we'll just round it to 10.2. And I'm going to use the about symbol instead of the equal symbol. So the radius is about 10.2, or 10.2 is about a good estimate of the radius. Okay, just wanted to show you how to do that problem. All right, thank you very much. See you later, and have a good weekend.